Hello, this is OCR Further Statistics. We're in Probability 1, Arrangements and Selections, and the second video on combinations. As before, there are several points where it's a good idea to stop and work some things out for yourself. Whenever you see this symbol, pause the video and try to answer the question before continuing to watch. If you haven't already looked at this question, stop the video now and go away and investigate it. OK. There are several ways you might have counted the number of combinations of 3 red and 2 blue books. Here is one method. There are 5 factorial ways of choosing the 5 books, but some ways appear identical. For each distinct arrangement, for example, as we have here, red, 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 blue, blue, there are 3 factorial ways I could have chosen the 3 red books, and 2 factorial ways I could have chosen the 2 blue books. So the number of ways of choosing 3 reds and 2 blue books is 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 2 factorial. We can generalise this. If I have R red books out of a total of N books, how many ways can I arrange them? If you didn't get as far as generalising your result, pause the video and have another go. OK, if I have R red books out of a total of N books, then there are N factorial ways of arranging all the books. And then for each of these options, there are R factorial ways of arranging the red books. And there are N minus R blue books left, so N minus R factorial ways of arranging the blue books, giving this total. When you were investigating this, did you notice that the numbers you got were all from Pascal's triangle? Let's take a quick look at this. Here's Pascal's triangle down to row 5, remembering that we start counting at 0. And we start counting at 0 here, so this would be no red books, 1 red book, 2 red books, 3 red books. And there we have our answer 10. So you can check for yourself some of the other numbers that we get. You may want to pause the video here to make some notes. Here are a couple of challenge questions for you to think about. Pause the video to make a note of them. It's important to note that answering these questions is beyond the scope of the Further Maths course. Nevertheless, these are good challenges to have a go at. That's the end of this video on combinations. The next video in this section is on repetitions and restrictions.